Hey, it's Kenny. Just left the house, headed south on Highway. The year 2022 was a good camping year for me. Let's do a review of some of the campgrounds that I camped in and some of the places I went and some of the stuff I did. I always like to do a little exploring, get out on the road and drive around, look at some stuff, do some things, maybe do a little geocaching, meet up with some friends. What do you guys like to do when you go camping? First camping trip in 2022. We are going camping in the rain! Oh, there's some snow mixed into that too. Alrighty, it's supposed to be cold. To back in, and I was able to do it this time. It was tricky. It's raining! Oh, hey, listen to those rocks rolling around. No wonder they're so ground and rounded. Camping isn't camping unless you have a campfire. Here we are. It's raining. Well, the rain pretty much stopped and there was some blue sky, so I thought I'd go out for a drive. Well, I am quite surprised. There's actually blue sky. Temporary, I'm sure. So, thought I'd come out here and start a fire and sit outside here for a while. So here's the coin. It's a pretty nice coin. It's been a fun day. Got to see a lot of different places. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this tour of the South Coast Culture Tour. I did the geocaching part of it. Also have a couple of new toys that I purchased recently. I bought a generator for my trailer. And the other item I bought was a portable fire pit. We have arrived at the campground, Tai Umpqua. I just backed the trailer in here. It's a nice paved level spot. Oh, and by the way, it's sunny, slight breeze, 70 degrees. Couldn't ask for any more. And uh-oh. Look out! Look out! Ow! Well, I pretty much have camp all set up. And it is a covered bridge. I don't know if you know anything about covered bridges, but the reason they put a roof and walls over these bridges is they are made out of wood. And it's to protect the wood so it doesn't rot. Well, all in all, today's been a really successful day. I found the rest of the geocaches and virtual locations on the challenge. And I got my geocoin. It's pretty cool. Sutherland, Land of Opportunity, Oregon. I'm currently just driving across the bridge over the Siuslaw River and heading into the town of Florence, Oregon. Gonna head up Highway 126 and turn off and camp at Whitaker Creek Campground. I made it to my campsite at Whitaker Creek. I've camped here twice before, and I really like this place. Let's go for a short walk down by this bridge. It's only like 100 feet or less from my campsite. This is a temporary bridge. It's in like 3 sections. They just set it in here somehow or another. I don't know how they do it, but in the wintertime the creek gets a lot fuller, so they don't want the bridge to wash away. Well, I don't know if you can hear that. It is raining. Gotta say, having a generator is a huge bonus. I wasn't getting anything on solar earlier. It's been a good day today. I didn't really do a whole heck of a lot, but it's been very relaxing. Hey, it's really good to be able to use my new electric trailer jack. You gotta love sitting by the fire. Even if it's a propane one, it's still great. It is roasting up here. I knew it was going to be warm. My Jeep says it's 80. Got my little 12-volt fan running. This Sweet Treats. Going to do a little wine tasting this morning. Why not? I gotta say, I really like my new electric tongue jack. Here we are at Rock Creek Campground. They had a huge forest fire here, and a lot of area burned. Unfortunately, there's some recreation sites that also burned. Looks like they saved a little bit, but let's walk around in here just a bit. Looks like horseshoe pits right here. Big log right across the middle of it all. You know, it is pretty sad that something like this happens to a beautiful recreation site where people come to go enjoy the great outdoors and camp. Obviously, I don't know anything about this campground. I've never camped here before. And like I said, I'm not sure how long ago this fire was, at least 3 or 5 years ago, probably. I highly suspect that this will never be opened again as a campground. It's too bad. A little farther down the road and another awesome view. Trees. Oregon is a state full of trees. We love it. I like camping at this place. There's no hookups here, but hey, and there's no cell service really. Then later the wind came up and the rain came. Good morning. It has been raining off and on pretty much all night. It is kind of wet out here this morning. There was a really nice abundance of tasty food, all different kinds. But then
thanks for dinner.
Yeah, I'm getting out of here now. And then it started raining. It's raining. Let's go hide under the bridge. Well, I hope you have enjoyed the 2022 camping season. I had a great time. I'm really looking forward to 2023. I'm ready to go camping. Just waiting for that weather to calm down just a bit. May God bless you, your family, and friends. And I'll see you in the next video.